Hi, and welcome to my first video of 2021. I'd like to wish you all a happy new year and all the best for this new year. I'd also, before we jump into buying some cryptocurrencies, I'd like to ask all of you if you could share this video or my channel in general, or a video you enjoyed most of my channel. It would really help me out to reach more people, and maybe friend of yours or a family member of yours really could use one of my videos for helping, just for more information in personal finances or in stock trading or on just for the Revolut app. So it would really help me out, and it could help somebody out. So if you enjoy my videos, please do not hesitate to share them with a friend of yours. Thank you very much. Now let's go ahead and buy our first cryptocurrency. Now I do know that by buying it on Revolut, I will not really own Bitcoin itself or another cryptocurrency that I would be buying into, but that I kind of am buying into its value, and that I don't really know how to explain, but yeah, maybe you guys can explain it better in the comments. I'm sure you can. But so I do know that I won't be buying that coin itself, but more just that the value will go up and down, just following the, the price. And but yeah, I still decided in the meantime, while I open another account somewhere, that I just want to buy in and just try it out. So this is not at all going to be big as a portfolio as my stock portfolio, but I'm just still going to try it out. So let's go ahead and start. So do I want to buy Bitcoin? I'm first going to go ahead and buy Ethereum. I want to check this out. Just want to look at what the price is for the other ones. Here we can see, oops, let's do like this. This way we can see a bit a chart of how much it's worth, how much it's gone up or gone down. Okay. But yeah, let's go back to Ethereum. We're gonna buy, let's say I want to buy Ethereum. I'm gonna buy 100 euros worth of Ethereum. There you go. Risks. Cryptocurrencies are only appropriate for people who understand and are willing to assume the risks involved. It's not a regulated product in the UK. The ability conferred from crypto to applicable legal and regulatory restrictions. Volatility. The price or value of cryptocurrencies can rapidly fluctuate at any time. The risks of loss in trading or holding cryptocurrencies can be substantial and can result in the loss of your entire investment. Okay. Okay, commission fee, you will be sure. Okay, now here is a big commission. I was not aware of this. This is a huge fee. 2.5% is a huge fee. But okay, I accept the fee. Okay, terms and conditions of use. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, agree. So, okay, I've just bought 0.1 Ethereum for $100. 100 euros, sorry. And, well, only for 97 euros because there was a charge. But okay, let's just go ahead and buy Bitcoin. I'm gonna buy market order, and we're just gonna go ahead and buy it for 100 euros. Yep. Okay. Won't give us a lot of Bitcoins, but no problem. Okay. Here we go. Let's go back to our portfolio. Or I don't know how this is. Okay, here we go. Here's a kind of portfolio. And yeah. So we're just gonna see a bit if this goes up or down. I'm not sure if this is really for a long term as my stocks are, but yeah, I just want to try this out and see how it goes, and yeah, I'll keep you updated. Just have to see how this goes. Anyways, so this was a kind of bit of a different video than other days, but I still wanted to share this with you. So please leave a comment if you have anything you'd like me to add, or if you have any question in general, or if you have a video suggestion. I really enjoy reading your comments and try to get back to you as fast as I can. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you very soon in my next video. And have a good first week of 2021. Bye bye.